Welcome to Casualty Burgers, where we cook your burgers with no casualties. We cook your burgers with absolute perfection. We'll make your burgers as nice as your mom's cooking. Who put that in the script? Okay, we don't sell waffles, and we are very nice to our customers, yeah. That's it. Thank you.
Add more cheese. I said add more cheese.
Wait, just because we're gonna fry it.
What the hell?
Wait, no, she wants the best burger, so this is a burger.
You're making money.
What do you mean? You still gave us money, so thank you. Or how do we get more money? How do we get more money?
Wait, that's it. What do you mean next time? Next time, do better.
Are you? Bro, wait, bro. What if? Okay, wait. I'll hold her and deep fry her. You smash. Try. I dare you. Try. Wait.
Oh my God! No way!
Open it. Open it. Open the pet thing, bro. Come here. Open the pet thing. Where's the pet thing? Should I fry this guy or should I put him in the pet thing? Are there extra cages? Cause
What's the guy who ordered this thing? I just let someone
die? Yes. Wait.
I let someone free.
Wait, bro. Dude, I think I just made a dead rat.
Come on. What do you mean that's not what I ordered?
Wait, dude, I made a dead rat. No!
Yeah, this person didn't even come to the restaurant, man. You know what you deserve? The special treat.
No, wait, don't open the freezer. Don't open the freezer, dude. This is something really important. Put her in the freezer after I take the rat out of the freezer. That's okay? Because it's literally a dead rat. You can control a cat with this, you know? Because the cat can't kill the dead rat. Look. Wait, does this mean I can cook the rat? Finally? Can I put it on a plate after I cook it? Bring me a burger and I'll judge it. Yeah, sure. Here's your burger.
This is the Casualty Burger shop. What do you mean these fries are not fried enough? Alright, that's it.
No, I'm not talking about burgers. I'm talking about we must cook.
There we go. It's just ketchup sauce. There we go, Andre from Victoria's.
Oh crap!
I got $9.
You got $9 for a burger.
For fries! Alright, that's it. We're not instant kill you.
Alright. Oh crap, I don't think it was in the right order. Whatever. This is gonna be their
Why
burger.
is he overcooked?
Wait, Happy's in the fridge! Happy's in the fridge! Keep him in! We're Bobby Cating him.